Come with me to see Blood Brothers. Except I'm filming this after, so it doesn't really make sense. But anyways. Good morning everyone. It is currently 6:58 I think. And we are on my way to school. I have a trip to Blood Brothers today. So I'm going to vlog that for you. Currently listening to Found Heaven by Conan Gray. Such a good album, go listen to it if you have. But yeah, I will take you along on this journey to go see Blood Brothers. So, I do have to still do 2 lessons, which kind of sucks, but it's just maths and computer science, so not the worst subject ever, but yeah. I'll see you whenever I see you next. So, quick update on my way in the sky. It's actually so beautiful and it's like shitty UK weather for once. It's getting but yeah, so I'll bring you this little update. We're currently in the Salt Arm in Tesco. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Yeah, I'll update you after I get some snacks. Okay, so here's the Tesco haul. So we've got some belt sticks and then because they're underneath everything. Okay, I got mini eggs as well. Right, this is like the 5th attempt at this. We're on the way to the train station. Mary's here, Divine's here, hello. I'm here, Charlotte's here. Amy and Rosie are in front of us. But yeah, we're on the way to the train station and we'll probably meet up there if we don't go Lidl. Link up with you guys in it, fam. So we're at the train station. We have to wait like 20 minutes. Tadana, would you like to come in? No, Tadana doesn't want to. But yeah, we have like 20 minutes here. Right, we're on the train.
Hello. Hi, Jacob.
Right, station number 1. We've got, yeah, but so we've got another train in like 8 minutes. And then, I think something like that. And then we're like, yeah. Right, train number 2. We leave in like, I don't know, 4 minutes maybe. We're on this one for 15 minutes and then we're there. Right, so it's like, what is the time?
It is 1:25.
It's 1:25, which means we'd normally be having lunch anyway. But I ate my lunch like an hour ago.
Me too.
So yeah, but we're like 5 minutes away from the theatre and have 20 minutes till we have to be there.
Guys, should I do a haul? This is what I bought in Tesco.
You got it the wrong way round. Oh no, you haven't. The back's the other way round. But yeah.
It's rip-off Marvellous Potions.
So we got off the train and now we're here. We went in Tesco and now we're waiting for people to get out of Tesco. And then we're going to the theatre. But yeah. So yeah.
To like uncooked because then it makes the whole dish taste weird. That's why I can't stand spaghetti because the vinegar and sauce is so long. Spaghetti hoops are disgusting.
Majority of things from a can, I can't eat it, or like a tin.
Yeah.
Like I can't eat majority of things from a tin apart from spaghetti.
No, because I promise you, so the person that decided to put like sausages and spaghetti in the same tin and make it a little concoction, you are disgusting. Sausages and baked beef, those sausages are not even sausages. What are they? Like it's just they're like cocktail sausages, but get out because they've been marinating for so long. It's like cocktail sausages, but like smooth.
Okay, so we're like all the way up here, which is great. But yeah,
Right, so Act 1 done. Don't know what to feel. The songs are a lot more upbeat than I thought they'd be. The songs are a lot more upbeat than I thought they'd be.
I've seen it already.
But yeah, it's good. But like, what do you think?
Oh, I think that Sammy and Mickey are in a gay incest relationship.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna end that one there. See you after the show. Until they finish their conversation, we're just gonna have our little chat. So, yeah, this is spoilers, but oh well. So, basically, very freaky act compared to Act 1. Lots of freaky scenes. It was really weird though, because like looking at it,
Like they just.
yeah. Anyways, compared to like how we performed it, we've all said we realised we acted it like completely wrong.
Yeah, no, everything we did was great.
Also, trigger warning: if you don't like loud noises, prepare yourself for the gunshots at the end, because what the hell?
Yeah.
Because it was so loud, and it was like C4 went off on stage. Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang.
Any
This is
thoughts
my
on Act 2?
opinion. This is my what's that word? Impression of what it sounded like. Ready? It went bang, 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 bang.
Divine, any thoughts?
5 games to the play.
Amy? Amy?
C4.
Anyways, read the book. Read the book to prepare yourself, guys. Also, the songs are questionable.
match the
You'll,
theme.
if you
The
haven't
songs do
listened
not
to
match
them,
the theme.
you're gonna think that they're really off.
Film the Tesco. No,
Tesco. I don't know why Mary wants me to film it, but yeah. We're back where we were earlier. We're about to go home. We are on the first train. Right, so we are back home. I didn't end up filming on any of the trains because it was packed. I was sitting on like the edge of one of the seats and my ass felt like it was about to fall off. Shouldn't say that, but anyways, good trip. The show's okay. I think the music doesn't really match like the vibe. But yeah, it was a good show. Also got my another day of school. Yeah. So that's basically all my thoughts on the show. The trip was good. Honestly, warning, I know I said this earlier and I need to stress this. If you don't like loud noises, prepare yourself for that last scene. There was like firecrackers, fucking, oh, I don't know what it's called. It was very loud. But yeah, I think that kind of is it for the trip. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, you know, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye.